I'm Kurt Obal from Mamburao Occidental, Mindoro, a coastal town rich in agriculture, fishing, and community values. It's a place where the land and sea provide the people make things grow. At the heart of this community is the Mamburao Agro Cooperative, a movement built on a simple but powerful mission to uplift local farmers, entrepreneurs by providing access, support, and opportunity. This is more than just a business. It's about shared growth, collective strength, and building a future where no one is left behind.
I'm Toling Trisha May. The cooperative began in 2002. Back then, small farmers and fisher folk in Mamburao faces rising costs, limited access to credit, and unfair prices from middlemen. There was no system in place to support them, no safety net, no reliable facing, but there was a dream to build something together, something fair.
My name is Viri. The dream became the Mamburao Agro Cooperative. Its founding mission was clear: to have members help each other by pooling resources, sharing knowledge, and opening doors to opportunities. From day one, the cooperative focused on building resilience, equity, and self-reliance, values that continue to guide it today.
My name is Billy Lobos. Today, the cooperative offers a wide range of services that reflect this mission, empower, enable, and uplift. We provide agricultural loans with very interest, seed, and corporate culture assistance, and technical training that help members grow their skills and income.
Hi, I'm Leah Liza. We support micro businesses through bulk purchasing and financial trading. Sari-sari store owners now manage their finances better and earn more. The cooperative also partners with local fisher folk to improve storage and distribution, helping them to avoid spoilage and sell at better prices.
My name is Banes. Each of these programs reflects our deeper goal to create a more stable, more exclusive economy made by the community for the community. Impact of the community. This impact of the cooperative will be seen and live across Mamburao.
My name is Opasa. Farmers have been able to invest in their land and build stronger homes. Some have even sent their children to college, something that once felt out of reach. Fisher folk have better tools and market access. Small store owner report and increases profit and stronger community relationships.
My name is Panganilay, but perhaps the greatest impact is hope. Hope for a better future built through cooperation. The mission is being fulfilled one success story at a time.
My name is Joey Oxina. Of course, the journey has been easy. The cooperative has faced natural disaster, typhoons, floods, and economic pressure like inflation and supply disruption. But our strength lies in our community. Through quick response, emergency response, and adaptive planning, the cooperative always find a way to recover.
My name is Mark Torrance Emrendon. Programs like crop insurance, emergency loans, and climate resilient farming are all part of how we stay true to our mission, especially in times of crisis. Looking forward, the Mamburao Agro Cooperative is not slowing down. We're expanding our reach to more barangays.
My name is Rodel Sarsona. We're also committed to sustainable agriculture, from solar power, irrigation to organic farming practices that protect both land and livelihood.
My name is Corona Rogjan. But most importantly, we are investing in the next generation, training young people to become leaders, innovators, and stewards of the cooperative.
My name is Mando. This is your cooperative if you are a farmer, a fisher folk, or a small business owner. We invite you to join us. Because together we grow stronger, together we grow whole.